Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to enable dark mode in your Gmail account. So let's take a look how to do that. Right now I am in web browser using Gmail. You can see this is by default mode is default color. So if you want to change it to dark mode, you can do so same way. It's really easy and simple. Just click here this gear icon and then you will find here themes. Simply click that and then you will see there will be a skin appear which is pick up your theme. Just scroll down and then by default this is your default mode. So if you want to make your Gmail to dark mode, you can choose this dark color and then click on save and you will see immediately your whole Gmail change to dark. So this is how you can change your Gmail to dark mode. If you want to return back as usual as default, you can do so same way. Just click this gear icon and then click on themes and scroll down and choose this default and then click on save. So this is how you can enable or disable dark mode in your Gmail account. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.